Current health agency, travel medical health insurance basics. A person considering foreign travel should determine what health insurance coverage, if any, they require while outside the United States. Medicare does not cover healthcare costs outside the United States and its territory, except under limited circumstances in Canada and Mexico. The simple fact is that many international travelers do not have appropriate insurance protection. Government-sponsored health programs such as Medicare almost never cover care received in a foreign country. Employer plans often limit overseas coverage to emergency care only, and the burden will be on you to prove it's an emergency. Emergency medical evacuations almost never covered. Even if you are traveling on business, you may have significant gaps in your coverage. Why is insurance so critical for international travel? Obtaining health care in some parts of the world can be tricky. Some hospitals won't provide any treatment or won't allow a patient to be discharged until the hospital receives a guarantee of payment. Such guarantees are commonly provided by travel insurers in conjunction with the system providers, but rarely by other insured or managed care plans. This means you will have to pay in advance, perhaps as much as tens of thousands of dollars with your credit card. Of course, for this to work, the hospital must accept foreign credit cards, and your card must have a sufficient credit limit. In addition, remember that leaving your destination for a place with higher quality medical care or return home where your regular insurance is accepted can be difficult. Medical evacuations are tricky to arrange, and there are some air ambulance providers who should be avoided. Worse, local authorities may have financial ties to certain evacuation companies. The solution: most travel insurance includes a medical assistance benefit, which is critical. It gives you a 24/7, 365 access to a company that will arrange evacuations for you with a credible evacuation company or through their medical personnel. It can help assure that you are getting the appropriate treatment locally. The assistance company will also be available to help other travel-related problems such as legal trouble, lost passports or credit cards, etc. Emergencies are rare, but everyone should have a contingency plan. Assess your personal health plan. If you have health insurance in the U.S., the first step is to check with your insurance company and establish what kind of coverage you have. If you have difficulty getting a straight answer, that alone should be a warning. If you don't have insurance in the U.S., consider that you might need it more than ever when traveling, and recognize that the coverage can be cheap, as little as $1.50 to $9 per day. 3 important types. There are 3 major types of coverage to consider. Most travel insurance products offer all 3 or 2 of the 3. 3 important types. Health and accident insurance, typically referred to as travel health insurance. These policies pay for doctors and hospital bills, and sometimes dental care and medication. These plans can be written for short trips, 1 day to 6 months, and will supplement Medicare or a managed care plan. ACA travel gap plans are an example of this type of coverage. International health insurance can also be purchased as a primary insurance for someone relocating to another country for an extended period of time, 6 months or longer. ACS Global Citizen and Global Citizen EXP are examples of this type of coverage. These plans are comprehensive and include added features such as preventive services, acupuncture, chiropractic, maternity benefits, and more. The second type, medical evacuation. This is a key. Evacuation can be expensive, such as $100,000 more from a remote location. In addition to the coverage, you will want to assist arranging an evacuation. See above. All of the ACS products offer coverage for medical evacuation. The third is trip cancellation and interruption. These covers protect you financially in the event you have to cancel or interrupt your trip for medical or other reasons. For example, you say you purchased a $5,000 cruise but can't take it because of personal illness or illness in the family. Depending on when you cancel, a significant portion of the $5,000 may be non-refundable. This type of insurance will reimburse you. ACL Trip Protector offers this type of coverage, as well as evacuation and supplemental health accident. One form of travel insurance commonly sold at airports is flight accident insurance, which generally pays a lump dollar amount in event of death from a plane crash, an extremely rare event. If you are looking at insurance in the airport, make sure it also includes one or more of the 3 important coverages listed above.